there, this is Cozy. After you have your materials, we'll get started. To start, take your towel and cut it in half, and actually make 2 towels for your kitchen. Next, we are gonna do gathering stitch. And we just need to gather up by pulling on that thread, and then just gently moving it through the towel. So now put the fabric on 2 centimeters away from the edge, and you want to stitch along the line. Now flip. And wrap it up, and then stick a pin so that we can fix it. Now let us stitch on the edge all the way across. Don't forget to do the same thing with the both of edges. As you can see, I've already hand sewed female side of the snaps on it. It's time for the top to get its pattern. So now check it out. Next, I want to do is take and lay 2 fabrics right sides together and lay the cotton batting. So we are gonna leave the opening and stitch along the line. Our next step is trim the excess. But you just need to trim the only excess cotton batting. Don't cut the excess fabrics, and snip that diagonal line right to the stitches. This is gonna make it easier when you turn it inside out. After turning, we can stitch the snap button on it. Next, we are just gonna need to attach our button for decoration. And what you want to do is tuck the excess fabrics inside, so now press them with your iron. Next, we are gonna tuck them inside one more time, and let us stitch all the way around. Next, you want to take the bottom and tuck it inside the top to attach male side of the snaps. Well done! Here it is. Bye for now, and happy sewing, guys!